Gukinyiria muthia wa kiumia giukite mathukuru ma gukorwo makihingwo. Riboti uria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo ukoretwo gitwarithio na mbere tamu-ini iyo igitanywo guteithiriria na njira nene kurora mianya iria ibatie guthingwo gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni wakinyanirio.
We expect, and I shall expect, that the silo mentality ends yesterday, so that everybody works as one. We are not here to enjoy our positions.
Anyitite ruhonge-ini rwa githomo marauga arutani aingi ni aria mamukirite githomo kigie mutaratara mweru na ni undu uguthie na mbere gutigirira mari na ugi muiganu.
After training these teachers, we will have the capacity to handle grades 4 to 6, and so we can continue rolling out the competence-based curriculum.
We shall deliver, because we know where we are going. If there are issues that you want addressed, we are ready and available to take them and to discuss them like people who went to school and people who think.
Ministry ugitiri na ukinyaniria ikiuga ni cihaririirie kunyitana guku magitariria mwihoko munene uria mari naguo na Minista Magoha.
Clearly there are a number of things that we need to sit down and spend time on to require us to put long hours to work with you to achieve the objectives that the President has outlined and to continue the trajectory of enhancing our education in our country.
And there's no question as to whether we should have technology in schools. That will be there, and there's commitment from the President. He continues to ensure that we are all working together.
Magoha nĩeranĩire gutigirira ugai wa kigina kiria kiagwo mathukuru ni thirikari ni kiagaywo na uigananu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.